I welcome all of you on platform of Yourpedia Education, and we are proceeding ahead with the applications in various premium institutes like IITs, triple IITs, NITs, etc. So this my video is related to one particular category of the students. That category of the student is someone who has in BTech more than 8 CGPA. So if your CGPA is more than 8 or 75% plus in BTech and you are from general category and you have GATE with you, if this is the criteria you meet, then 100% you are going to get calls from IITs from one department or the other. Let me tell you here again and repeat it loud. What I'm saying is that if you are a general category student with GATE merely qualify means अगर तुम्हारा 30 मार्क्स पे गेट क्वालिफाई होता है और तुम्हारा 35 मार्क्स है, 32 मार्क्स है, 30 जो भी मार्क्स है क्वालिफाई है, एंड आपका सीजीपीए 8 प्लस है और 75% प्लस है या 75% बीटेक में है या 8 सीजीपीए है, if this is the thing you have and your gate merely qualify, then you will 100% get call from PhD course from one IIT or the other. So that is something which is this PhD and then integrated PhD and then MS calls, MS के calls आने के भी chance हैं. This is something which I want to tell you. Know from which department and how many, we will keep on intimating you that, but call पक्का आएगा. उसके लिए आपको रिसर्च प्रपोजल वगैरह रिक्वायर्ड होता है, but that can be made. I have so many videos we are dumping on how to make research proposal and all. So there are so many students, to my knowledge, there are not less than 10,000 students those who have more than 8.5 or 9 CGPA. 9 plus CGPA वाले ही मेरे को लगता है 10,000 स्टूडेंट्स होंगे जिनका गेट क्वालिफाई है, बट दे डोंट इवन अप्लाई, थिंकिंग कि उनका गेट स्कोर तो यार 410 आ रहा है, या उनका गेट मार्क्स 32 है, या उनका गेट स्कोर 350 आ रहा है, तो 350 गेट स्कोर पे मेरे को आईआईटी कहां मिलेगा. बट योरपीडिया इज द प्लेटफॉर्म वेयर वी कीप ऑन टेलिंग कि ऐसा होता है. And once you get into some IIT system, then you can get into particular course, change the course, get opportunities, get placement, everything opportunity is available. Gate score is not the only criteria, but majority of you think gate is the only criteria. If I get 750 plus I will get IIT, if I get 350 I will not get IIT. That is a thinking in the mind of students, and they don't even apply. So we are only requesting you to apply, because there are so many seats in IIT system for higher education, MTech, MS, PhD, and you will certainly get the calls को convert करना है, इंटरव्यू की तैयारी अच्छी होनी चाहिए तुम्हारी. They are going to ask you written test भी हो सकता है, इंटरव्यू भी हो सकता है, एंड आपका रिसर्च प्रपोजल भी बना सकते हैं. So the moment I get call, sir, how I'm going to get selected, they will interview you, you should be ready for that. They will ask for your project, they will ask you from your internship, they will ask you from your research proposal, you have to make research proposal, and these are the criteria you can basically use, and you can convert your basically gate score into selection. So Yourpedia is the platform where, as you know, we keep on telling that even if your gate score is 350, you have a chance to get into IIT, and we speak it loud. People believe it or don't, we keep on telling you examples also where students with this score are sitting in IITs and making career. So you can also do that. Just you need to believe yourself, you need to believe ourselves, and convert your score into career. All the best. I will keep on coming with some more such informative videos for you, so that you can make a right decision for you. Thank you.